Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Anav and this channel is all about learning together. So guys, as I promised in the last video that you're gonna learn about our Jovian planets, and today you're gonna learn about our Jovian planets. So let's begin the lesson. Guys, so today we're gonna learn Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, known as the Jovian planets. And guys, do you know Jupiter is made up of gases and rocks from space, and even Saturn is the same. And Uranus and Neptune are known as the ice giants because they're made up of ice, rocks, heavy metals from space, and gases. So guys, these are far from the sun. These are far from the sun, especially Uranus and Neptune. They're super far from the sun. And Jupiter and Saturn are very far from the sun, but not that far, bit far. That's why they're still a bit hot. And guys, let me tell you about Jupiter right now. Jupiter is the 5th planet in our solar system, from the sun actually. It's the 5th planet from the sun, and it's the largest planet in our solar system, but smaller than the sun. Guys, do you know that Jupiter is the oldest planet in our solar system? Do you mean like why is it the oldest? Because it was the first planet that was made in our solar system. Guys, do you know that Jupiter and Saturn are visible with naked eyes? Like super visible with naked eyes. Like in the night it's above and down the moon. So guys, do you know that Jupiter has the largest atmosphere, and it has 3 ring systems. Let me tell you why I have not drawn the ring systems. Because the ring system is actually there, but it's very thin. Like it's made up of dust, only dust, and some rocks. And guys, there's a special thing in Jupiter. It has the great red spot. Let me tell you what is the great red spot in Jupiter. It's none of these planets like Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, or Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. It's only in Jupiter. No, it's like a red spot. It's actually a storm, a huge storm, bigger than the hurricane in our world, in Earth. It's bigger than the hurricanes. And guys, do you know that it takes 12 years to orbit around the sun? Because since it's very far from the sun, it takes a lot of time to orbit around the sun. And it has 79 moons. Isn't it surprising, like 79 moons? And guys, since we are done with Jupiter, let's come to Saturn. Saturn is the 6th planet from the sun. And it is the 2nd largest, means not bigger than Jupiter, it's smaller than Jupiter. And guys, do you know that Saturn has countless rings, like lots of rings. And it also has 82 moons. Guys, do you know the largest moon in Titan? The largest moon in Saturn is Titan. Isn't it surprising? Like Saturn has 28 moons and the biggest moon is Titan. And guys, do you know that Saturn is visible with naked eyes? So is Jupiter. Guys, do you know that Saturn takes 29 years and 5 months to orbit around the sun? And since we're done with Saturn, let's come to Uranus. And guys, do you know that Uranus is the 7th planet from the sun? And it's the 3rd largest, means smaller than Saturn, not bigger than Saturn. And guys, do you know that Uranus spins at a 90 degrees angle? Let me tell you like how the Uranus spins. While other planets spin like this. But Uranus spins like this, like a wheel. Like this. Like a wheel. Like this. A wheel. And do you know that it takes 84 years to orbit around the sun, since it's very far from the sun. That's why it takes a lot of time. And since we're done with Uranus, let's come to Neptune. Neptune is the 8th planet from the sun. Also means the last planet from the sun. And it's the 4th largest. Means it is smaller than Uranus. Guys, do you know that Neptune is the coldest planet in our solar system? Because it's super far from the sun, far than Uranus. That's why it doesn't get some sunlight, that's why it's freezing cold. And guys, do you know that Neptune has 14 moons only? And the largest moon in Neptune is Triton. And it takes more than 84 years, like Uranus takes 84 years, while Neptune takes 165 years to orbit around the sun. Isn't that surprising? Like 165 years? So guys, if you really enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell. So if we make any new videos, we will text you. Thanks. Bye.